Hey guys, next up is the audience builder. So now you can build targeted segments based on filters like industry, title, company size, last names, first names, or custom tags that you add to your CSV files for your leads. So we're gonna do a quick test on this so I can show you how you can do this on Constant Closer. So to do this, we first have to head to the Context tab here, and we can select a specific file. In this case, I'm gonna add this test CSV file. I have only 6 contacts. So great. Once those contacts are added to your Constant Closer account, you can head here to audiences or select the view audiences purple button there. And we're gonna go ahead and create an audience. So to create a new audience, we can select or search for a filter. In this case, there are activity filters, or you can also filter with column filters that you have available on your spreadsheets, right? In this case, there are several. We have several columns on Constant Closer, but in this case, I'm gonna select activity and I'm gonna select the active value. You can actually select and add more filters with the and or option. So we want to, for example, target actively the leads that have active as a value, and we can search here really quick for last name, for example. And then I'm gonna enter the value that I had on my spreadsheet. So it was Vargas. Select the or option. It will let you add a different filter depending on what you're looking for. So I'm going to leave this filter available, and then I'm going to add a name for this specific audience. In this case, we want to call it active lead. My God, that's last name. And we're going to create the audience. So the audience was created successfully. Now, to view your audience, you can either edit an ongoing campaign, or we can create a new campaign. So we're going to create a new one. We're going to add, so to create a new campaign, I'm going to run really quick through this because there's another video that teaches you how to do this. But we're going to go ahead and click on generate campaign. So once a campaign is created, and you go through all of the information, all of the sections that we have been through on different videos, you will see now that we have a new section that's called audiences. So to select the audience that we just created, you can either create a new one on the spot from an ongoing campaign, or you can do the whole process that we did in case you don't have an ongoing campaign created. And we're going to select the filter that we just created. So in this case, the active called Vargas. And that's it. You're going to have to click on save. And the campaign has successfully been updated. This will help you send the right message to the right people every time. So save your audience, launch your campaign, and let your agent do the rest. Bye, guys.